clean crabs. This is Henry. Tell us how to clean crabs, fast and easy.
These crabs are alive, but they've been under refrigeration and on ice for overnight. And they are now, they're still alive, but they're hibernating. They get below 38 degrees, they hibernate for an extended period so you can handle them. We like to clean them before we cook them, just not as messy eating them when you do it this way. You can just throw these into a pot of boiling water and cook them or steam, but you have to clean them as you're eating them then. So what we did, we just pulled the hinge, what's called the hinge off. I didn't show you that, did I? Now we're going to separate the hard shell from the body.
The crabs are in Lala land, so they don't feel this.
Just separate the shell from the body by putting your finger under the shell and then pushing on the body with one of these knuckles, and then separate that. Pull that, and you can dispose of this, or if you want to save the shell, you can do that, I guess.
All right, now you hand it to Kathy.
Yeah, Kathy is going to clean the rest of it. The gills are right here, and then there's body stuff in there, and the eyes. And we just pull all of that stuff off.
The gills. And the eyes.
Kathy's a nurse, so she wants to make sure she does it exactly right.
I'm a psych nurse. How do you feel about this?
She's a psych nurse. Now she's talking to the
How
crab.
do you feel about this?
We take a strong hose and clean it out. Look at that. Now it's nothing but just pure meat.
Put that on the ice over there. Just ready to go in the pot.
There they are, ready to go. Easy.